In the depths of our oceans and waterways, invertebrates face a constant battle against pathogens, bacteria, viruses, and parasites that threaten their survival. Without the sophisticated immune systems of vertebrates, how do these creatures survive in this pathogen-laden world? The answer lies in their remarkable innate immune system, a complex defense network that has evolved over millions of years. Animal immune systems are typically divided into two categories: innate immunity, the general defense against all threats, and specific immunity, which targets particular pathogens. Invertebrates like bivalves can live for decades, constantly filtering microorganisms from water, relying primarily on innate immunity. This system consists of specialized blood cells called hemocytes and various defense molecules in their body fluids. The first line of defense for crustaceans is their exoskeleton, a tough, flexible armor made of protein and chitin that covers their entire body. This protective barrier even extends internally, with a cuticular membrane lining their digestive system. However, some bacteria like Vibrio can breach this armor using enzymes that break down chitin and proteins, causing diseases like black spot syndrome. Bivalve mollusks employ a different strategy. Their calcium carbonate shells create an impenetrable fortress when closed, but they face a dilemma. They must open their shells to feed and breathe, making them vulnerable to pathogens in the water. The shell consists of multiple layers, with the outer periostracum providing a varnish-like protective coating. When the exoskeleton is breached, rapid wound healing becomes critical for survival. Blood cells called hemocytes immediately rush to the wound site, forming clots and releasing enzymes that begin the healing process. Remarkably, many crustaceans can completely regenerate lost limbs through this sophisticated repair system. The cellular army of invertebrate immunity consists of hemocytes, specialized blood cells that patrol the body searching for threats. In crustaceans, there are three main types: hyaline cells for engulfing pathogens, semigranular cells for encapsulation, and granular cells packed with defensive chemicals. These cells can engulf and destroy invading bacteria through a process called phagocytosis, literally eating the enemy. New hemocytes are continuously produced in specialized tissue near the stomach, similar to bone marrow in vertebrates. Stem cells in this tissue divide and mature into the different hemocyte types as needed. In shrimp, this tissue extends throughout the body, located at the base of legs and near major organs. The immune system must distinguish between friend and foe using pattern recognition receptors that detect pathogen-associated molecular patterns. These patterns include bacterial cell wall components like lipopolysaccharides and peptidoglycans, molecular signatures of danger. Lectins are carbohydrate-binding proteins that specifically recognize sugar patterns common on bacterial surfaces but rare on host cells. Toll receptors, found in shrimp and other crustaceans, detect pathogen patterns and trigger the production of antimicrobial compounds. These receptors activate genes that produce antimicrobial peptides, molecular weapons that can destroy bacterial cell membranes. This sophisticated recognition system allows invertebrates to mount targeted responses against specific threats. Recent research suggests some invertebrates may develop pathogen-specific immunity, challenging our understanding of their immune capabilities. Immunization experiments show stronger secondary responses to previously encountered pathogens, suggesting a form of immune memory. While this remains controversial, it highlights the remarkable adaptability of invertebrate immune systems. Through physical barriers, cellular defenses, and molecular recognition systems, invertebrates have achieved remarkable evolutionary success. Their innate immune systems, refined over millions of years, continue to protect these vital members of marine ecosystems. Understanding invertebrate immunity not only reveals nature's ingenuity, but also offers insights for human medical applications.